Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about a previous year GATE question on electronics device. According to the numerical given, we can see that a bipolar junction transistor has been given in the question, and it is a NPN transistor where the excess electron profile has been given, and it is said that the BJT is biased in a active region. That means the JE junction is in forward biased and the JC junction is in reverse bias. We can say that because the NPN transistor is in active region. Now the area of the emitter base junction, so emitter base junction is given as 0.001 micrometer square. The mobility value of the electron inside the base is 800 centimeter square volt second. So we have to find the value of IC, that is the collector current at room temperature, means 300 K. Now we can say that the IC value is nothing but due to the diffusion current. We know that the total current inside the semiconductor bipolar junction BJT is dominated by the diffusion phenomena. So we can say that IC will be A Q of dN and dN by dx. So dN is the diffusion coefficient for the electrons inside the BJT, and this dN value from the Einstein equation we can write it will be mu n into Vt. So if I put the value of mu n here, so I can say A into Q into mu n into Vt into dN by dx. So A value is given by 0.001, Q value will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, mu n value is also given, that is 800, and Vt is 26 millivolt, that is 26 into 10 to the power minus 3, and dN by dx is given by 10 to the power 14 divided by 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. Because if we see here, then we can see the excess electron profile has been given and the value here is written as 10 to the power 14. So the excess electron profile is changing from 10 to the power 14 to the value of 0 within this distance. That's what I have written, 10 to the power 14, that is the del n, and it is written that the total thickness of the base region is given by 0.5 10 to the power minus 4. So we can find the value of the IC. So it will be 6.656 milliampere. So this is the total collector current in the given NPN bipolar junction transistor. Thank you.